Right, we are doing the same thing we've been doing. This is 2.3 notes. So we're going to solve this equation right here. The first thing we do is distribute. Negative 8x minus 4 equals negative 8x minus 2. Now let's put our x's together. So I'm going to add 8x. That marks out. I add 8x. Negative 8 plus 8 makes a 0. So I'm left with negative 4 equals negative 2. Negative 4 does not equal negative 2. That is not true. So that means that this equation has no solution. It means that there is no possible number that could work as a solution for this equation. So when you get a Looney Tune answer like 21 equals 0, not true, no solution. 15 equals negative 15, not true, no solution. So your answer will be no solution. Let's work this other one out over here. I've got negative 5 minus 9x equals, let's distribute, 3 minus 9x minus 8. Let's put our like terms on this right side together. Negative 5 minus 9x equals negative 9x minus 5. Let's move our x's. Negative 9 plus 9 marks out. End up negative 5 equals negative 5. Well, that is true. That is perfectly true and forever and always true. So that means I have infinitely many solutions. When I have infinitely many solutions, that means every number could work. So if you get 4 equals 4, 0 equals 0, negative 50 equals negative 50, as long as they are perfectly equal, your answer is infinitely many. So down here at the bottom, I need you to do this work. You have 4 problems. One of your answers will be infinitely many. One will be no solution. The other 2 will be normal x equals whatever number. Okay? One of those, 2 of those. All right, after you do this, I need you to do IXL J6, and it'll be the same thing. It'll ask you, does this have one solution, no solutions, or infinitely many? If you get x equals 4, it'll be one solution. If you get 4x equals 4x when you solve it, something like that, it'll be infinitely many. And if you get like 4x equals, that's a bad example, sorry. If you get negative 6 equals negative 1, it'll be no solutions, okay? All right, do that work for me. Thank you.